Hello, my lovely audience. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Try to Thrive. As you all know, my name is Rajni and she is Gayatri Sharma. She is a trainer and she will definitely give her introduction later. But who are new on my channel and have joined recently, because yes, we are going to hit the number of 100K subscribers very soon. And who are new, for them, my name is Rajni and I am a YouTuber, which is you are watching, that is Try to Thrive. And I have been teaching people, beginners and intermediates already. And on this milestone, achieving this milestone of 100K, I am here to, give a surprise, something which is specially for beginners. And definitely I'll disclose it a few minutes later. First, let's listen to Gayatri Sharma. Yeah, over to you.
For sure. So, hello everyone. My name is Gayatri Sharma. I'm from west part of UP. I've done my graduation in English honors. I've done my masters in English literature. I have been the trainer for 3.5 years, where I have worked with amazing brands in India. I have worked with national, international brands. I have been working in the industry for 3.5 years, and 3.5 years, almost 4 years. In March, I will be completing my 4 years. I have helped more than 5,000 learners. I have worked with people from different walks of life. I have made them improve their communication skills, grammar, spoken English, and many more personality developments as well. That's about it.
Okay, so Gayatri ma'am, are you ready to disclose what we are going to offer to beginners, especially?
Yes. So thank you, Rajniji. First of all, giving us chance. And I came to you. I came to you with an idea. I wanted to help the audience. I wanted to, because I know you are also giving coaching, one-on-one coaching. You are also going for beginners and intermediates, and you exactly accepted the idea and you encouraged me that yes, Gayatri, we can plan something and we can offer to the audience to help them. So, everyone, we have designed a 3 months spoken English course for all of you, especially to build your foundation. If you are the one who is struggling, where to start, how to start, what to read, what not to read, what are the few steps a beginner should exactly take. So, we are going to guide you in that. Trainer Rajani and Trainer Gayatri, we will be helping you. We have our different roles, which we will be talking right now. But why this 3 months spoken English course? Because I have come across a lot of beginners who are totally confused. That, ma'am, what should be my first step? What should I exactly read? What should I exactly listen to? Who should I exactly go to? What should I do? So we, coming across all these queries and exactly contemplating over it, I designed a course like, okay, let's build their foundation, especially for beginners. Let's build their foundation. Let's give them a step by step process, day by day process, so that they can walk on that path and they can see the improvement.
Yeah, thank you so much, Gayatri ma'am, for letting them know what it is exactly and what the problem exactly we are going to tackle. Okay, so the batch is going to start from 3rd February itself. And let me tell you one more thing, guys, which is that we have limited seats. Okay, and the other information related to batch itself we will provide in the Telegram group, which the link will be provided in the description box itself. So who are new here can join the Telegram group too. Okay, and the in the sessions itself, the technical part, as I mentioned, the foundation of the language will be covered by Gayatri ma'am. So we will provide 3 sessions a week, sorry, 5 days, 5 classes a week, in which 3 sessions, 3 classes will be taken by Gayatri ma'am, and 2 practice sessions, practice and the vocabulary part, will be covered by me. So when you were into the practice, you will be able to assess where you are exactly lacking, what are the grammatical patterns you should be covering, and you should focus when you interact or when you take classes with Gayatri ma'am. So you can assess in practice sessions and then you can master those grammatical patterns with Gayatri ma'am. So like this you will be guided properly by me and by Gayatri ma'am, things which you can
Yeah.
tell, like what exactly you are going to teach them.
Great, great. So when I say foundation, I am a big fan of grammar. I believe that grammar can exactly help you understand the different bits of the language, right? If you are the one who speaks fine, but then accuracy is not there. So understanding basic grammatical patterns and few patterns which are, because there are two types of grammar. First is academic grammar. The second is functional grammar, which is used widely to talk only. So a lot of people get confused with it, where to use past, where to use present, how to use present perfect, how to use past indefinite. Many more confusions are there, and people are so confused about it. We are going to guide you through for the basic grammars and few concepts which are really important to talk in spoken, especially spoken English. Few topics like tenses, then passive voice, then modal verbs. A lot of people, they know the concepts, but they are not able to use, where to use should, would, could, may, might, and must. So we are going to, like, especially I am going to walk you through such patterns. I am going to help you understand the understanding. I'm going to help you connect the grammar, bookish grammar, with your real life. So exactly you start implementing. A lot of people come to me and they say that, ma'am, we do have understanding of grammar. I know what are the technical aspects of the tense, like present tense, past tense. But then when I speak, I'm not able to use it. So we are going to give you a few practices. We are going to give you or put you in situations where you can exactly use the grammar. So we are going to focus on grammar. We are going to focus on your spoken English. We are going to focus on your writing skills. We are going to focus on your vocabulary part, your pronunciation part. So my role, 3 days I will take sessions where I will be teaching you technical aspects of the language, and 2 days Rajni ma'am will be there. She will be, whatever I will teach you, she will make you implement everything. Because only teaching not important, implementation is also very important. So Rajni ma'am will be guiding you to implement all the concepts which I will teach.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Gayatri ma'am, for letting them know everything in detail. And rest, if you still have any question, you can ask in the comment box below. And yes, detail will be shared in the Telegram group too. So, who are excited and ready to master this language in 2025 with us, who want to start the journey with us, can definitely join, and you all are welcome. Yeah, thank you so much, Gayatri ma'am.
Most welcome, and we are looking forward to work with you, everyone. We hope to see you here because we have very limited seat, and we have decided, at least because this is very first time Rajni ji is offering something to the audience. So we want to see how we exactly bring improvement and changes in you. And if we get successful in it, we will be having many more batches. All the